Welcome to our quick guide on updating your company information in CocolevioHR. This is important to ensure a great experience for your team and job applicants. Let's dive right in. After you're logged in, go to Settings from the main menu. Next, navigate to the Company Info section. Under Company Info, you'll see an Edit button. Click on that. Here, you can update your business information, including your company name, phone number, address, and website. After this, head over to the Branding section. Now, click on the Upload Company Logo button. Upload your logo to the profile. This will be used throughout the application, email communications, and more. Next, move on to uploading a welcome video for your brand. Choose the Upload Video option to add a video file. This video will be presented to applicants right before they take their assessment. Finally, go to the Company Bio section. Here, you can add a brief description about your company. It will be added to the public page of all evaluations you create. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes to finish. Thanks for joining us. Now you're all set to make your CocolevioHR profile shine. See you next time.